This weekend, Formula Friday, and it's about Spa-Francorchamps. And we're gonna do a Belgian classic, smoked mussels with Belgian beer and bacon sauce. Let's start with making that delicious sauce. We've got a saucepan here heating up. Just add a little drizzle of olive oil, add some chopped up bacon. Let's add some onion, a little bit of celeriac root, pumpkin, and some leek. Add a pinch of salt. You gotta add Belgian beer. Strong blonde ale, a bit of cooking cream, some fish stock, and then of course black pepper. Add a bit of fresh parsley and let that simmer for a little bit until the sauce is starting to reduce. I'm gonna put it to the side. I collected some smoke wood, toss that in, close the lid. I got some mussels, I got a makeshift basket. Looks good, smells good, must be good. Overload them with your sauce. Finish it off with a little bit of fresh parsley.